Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your Capital One credit limit, approval tips step by step clearly. Increasing your Capital One credit limit can enhance your financial flexibility. Start by reviewing your current credit limit and account history. Ensure that your account is in good standing with no late payments. Check your credit score. Consider waiting at least 6 months since your last credit limit increase request. Gather relevant financial information, including your income and monthly expenses. Log into your Capital One account using their website or mobile app. Navigate to the Account Services section. Select the option for requesting a credit limit increase. Fill out the form with your current income and any changes in your financial situation. Indicate any new expenses that may support your request, like a new job or additional income sources. Submit the request and await Capital One's response, which typically occurs within a few minutes. Review Capital One's guidelines for automatic credit limit increases to see if you qualify. Maintain a low credit utilization ratio, ideally below 30% of your total available credit. If your request is denied, monitor your credit reports regularly to ensure accuracy and address any issues. Stay informed about your payment history and maintain timely payments. Consider reaching out to customer service for additional insights about your account. Be patient, as increasing your credit limit is a gradual process. Implementing these strategies can help secure a higher credit limit over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.